Hello, all my dear graduate friends. Welcome to Excellent Way channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Airport Authority of India recruitment. Recently, Government of India has given a notification to recruit various types of posts in the Airport Authority of India. So without wasting much time, we will enter into the video. In this video, we will get complete awareness about the recruitment process, application process, selection procedure, and finally the syllabus. So this is the advertisement number 05 oblique 2020. So this is the notification first page, and this is the various types of posts showing in the table. So all the engineering graduates and science graduates are eligible for these various posts depending upon the technical, non-technical, and air traffic control, airport operations, and also the junior executive in the technical category. So see here minimum qualifications column showing that B or BTech degree in fine engineering, mechanical engineering, and automobile engineering. And also in the third category post, which is junior executive air traffic control, most of the unemployed graduates are waiting for this category. See bachelor's degree of 3 years in science with physics and mathematics, or bachelor's degree in engineering in any discipline. Physics and mathematics should be subjects in any one of the semester curriculum. And see in the fourth category, graduate in science and MBA of 2 years duration or bachelor's degree in engineering. And fifth is BE or BTech degree in mechanical or automobile. So all the 4 categories out of 5 categories are related to engineering graduates, and only one, which is third one, junior executive air traffic control, is belongs to BSc graduates who were completed physics and mathematics in their graduation. Next, see, this is about the percentage of marks. Minimum 60% of marks are equivalent for bachelor's degree. So see the particulars. Next, age limit, which is most important factor to apply in various notifications. For this, the manager category post, minimum age is 32 years as on 30th November 2020. And remaining junior executive, all the remaining posts, minimum age is 27 years. There are relaxation in age in various category posts. So for PWD, persons with disability, has 10 years of relaxation, and SC ST candidates have 5 years, and OBC category candidates having 3 years of relaxation. And the upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years to all the candidates who had originally been domiciled in the state of Jammu and Kashmir during the period from 1980 to 1989. So this is about the age limit and relaxation in age. And most important thing is important dates. The opening date for online applications is 15th December 2020 in this month, and the last date for online application is 14th January 2021 next month. So these are the important dates and the tentative date of online examination. So see here, the examination is only in CBT or online mode. That will be announced on AAI website. And the pay scales are here under: manager 60,000 to 1,80,000, and junior executive 40,000 to 1,40,000. So remaining all the emoluments are not necessary to learn here. Next, the selection process, which is most important. And for the post of manager, an online examination will be followed by document verification, physical measurement, and endurance test, which includes running, casualty carrying, pole climbing, ladder climbing, and rope climbing, and also driving test. So candidates selected for the post of manager for fire services are required to produce light motor vehicle license, LMV license, at the time of document verification. So before going to application, please apply for the LMV, those who are eligible for the fire services category. And also driving test can be conducted. Remaining all the physical measurement and endurance test and driving test will be allowed to appear for interview. Who qualify the physical measurement and endurance test and driving test will be allowed to appear for interview. So before interview, all these things can be completed. And next, for the post of junior executive airport operations, these candidates also need to have light motor vehicles license. LMV license is essential. And see, temporary or learning license will not be accepted. So permanent license is needed. And next, for the post of junior executive air traffic control, in this, an online examination will be followed by documents verification, voice test, and background verification. The candidate shall have minimum proficiency in both spoken and written English of the level of 10+2 standard. The candidate shall have passed English as one of the subjects in 10th or 12th standard. Almost all the candidates have this qualification. On selection, he or she shall also attain ICAO language minimum proficiency level 4 for the purpose of issue of license or rating. So this is a language test, ICAO, to issue the license or rating. So any candidate who is not able to attain ICAO proficiency level 4 or above during the training, his or her services are liable to be terminated. So ICAO language level 4 test is compulsory for this air traffic control category candidates. The provisional selection of the candidates will be as per the merit list, and this can be displayed in the website, and also they mail to individual mail IDs. Now, how to apply? The application is very simple. All the candidates are required to apply online through the link available on aai.aero under tab careers. So after entering into the aai.aero, careers tab is there, and no other means mode of submission of applications will be accepted under any circumstances. So it is not showing right now in that website after 15th. So on or after 15th it can be displayed in the careers tab. So incomplete application will be summarily rejected. Candidates should have a valid personal email ID and mobile number. It should be kept active during the currency of this recruitment process. So until unless the complete of the recruitment process, these email ID and mobile numbers, email ID and mobile number, these two things are kept active. The candidates are requested to check regularly their email AAI's website for any communication from AAI. So these things are most important, and before starting to fill up the online application, the candidate should keep at hand the following details, documents, information. See, valid email ID. The email ID entered in the online application form should remain active until the recruitment process is completed. No change in email ID will be allowed once registered. So this thing should be remembered. No change of email ID is allowed after completion of registration. So all correspondence regarding this recruitment shall be made on the registered email ID, including admit card for online examination and call letter for documents verification, interview. So all are communicated through email ID only. And next, scanned copy of latest passport size colored photograph, not more than 3 months old. So recent color photograph is needed, and scanned signature in digital format for uploading in the application. Scanned signature in digital format, which is scanned after signed in the white paper with black color pen. So all relevant documents, details relating to eligibility criteria, educational qualifications, caste certificate, EWS certificate, experience certificate, disability certificate, discharge certificate. In case of ex-servicemen, apprentice certificate from AAI, etc. Documents, all the documents are compulsory. Keep at hand before start to fill the applications. And candidates are advised not to respond to unscrupulous advertisements appearing in any newspaper, website, mobile apps. For authenticity of the any information, candidates may visit detailed advertisement available on AAI website, which is aai.aero. So these are the instructions to upload the scanned photograph and signature. Photograph must be recent passport size color picture, and that will be in size of 20 kb to 50 kb, and dimensions are 200 versus 230 pixels. In this, they are not mentioned in the format as PDF, so it can be JPG. So when the application process gets starts, we can get in a complete idea. And signature image should be 10 kb to 20 kb. Dimensions are 140 versus 60 pixels. The applicant has to sign on white paper with black color ink pen. Okay. Next, this is the most important. So all the candidates must be aware of this syllabus. Actually, the application process starts from the 15th December and ends on the 14th January. So there is more time to analyze the syllabus and get books to get a complete idea. So to arrange the books, see the syllabus. For the manager post, part A is 30% weightage. We don't know the complete marks, either they are 120 marks or 100 marks, whatever it may be. If they are 100 marks, they are testing for 100 marks, then 30 marks are for the part A. In that, general knowledge, general intelligence and general aptitude and also general English language. And part B consists of 70% weightage in the overall marks. The questions related to educational qualifications. So what the educational qualifications are mentioned in the category of post, that educational qualifications syllabus is to be studied. And next, for the manager fire services, part A is for 50% weightage, and in that general knowledge, general intelligence, general aptitude, English. In the part B, same as manager for technical, questions related to educational qualifications. So see here, in this part A is 50% and part B is 50%. In the previous slide, which is manager post technical, in that part A is 30% and part B is 70%. This is the difference. And the junior executive technical category, that is part A is for 30%, GK, general intelligence, general aptitude and English. Part B 70% questions related to educational qualifications as mentioned in the previous slides. And this is the most awaiting category in the country. Most unemployed candidates are from the undergraduate science graduates, BSc, BA or BCom, but here for this Airport Authority of India recruitment, science graduates are eligible. For this junior executive air traffic control, part A consists of 50% weightage. For that, general knowledge, general awareness, general intelligence and reasoning, general aptitude, or it is mentioned as numerical ability, and English language. And part B consists of 50% weightage, questions from physics and mathematics, the basic concepts and application oriented questions are asked. Next, junior executive airport operation. So in this, GK awareness, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, English language, questions related to educational qualifications. So for the category 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 4, 5, these 4 categories must have LMV license. And don't forget these dates, 15th December to 14th January. And I congratulate all of you who are eligible for these different category of posts. in this pandemic situation, we are most awaited for the employment notifications. So please utilize this wonderful opportunity. This is a highest category jobs. These are the highest category jobs. This video is completely about the Airport Authority of India, and to make more such kind of videos for the different kind of recruitments, I need your feedback. Please comment your feedback and subscribe this channel for further more information regarding different types of recruitment notifications, and click on the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you for watching my Excellent Way channel. All the best for your success.